Hey there, science buffs! Have you ever wondered what's floating above our heads in space? Today, we're diving into a pressing issue that's not just out of this world, but could drastically affect our lives on Earth's space junk. Space debris, or space junk, is becoming a growing threat to our orbit. Imagine tens of thousands of pieces of defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments from missile tests swirling around our planet at terrifying speeds. Even tiny fragments, traveling up to 17,500 miles per hour, can cause catastrophic damage to operational satellites, spacecraft, and even astronauts. And it gets worse. When these pieces of debris collide, they create more debris, setting off a chain reaction known as the Kessler syndrome. This cascade effect could eventually make some orbits so cluttered that they become unusable, hindering our ability to launch new satellites, explore space, or even maintain current services like GPS and weather forecasting. The implications of the Kessler syndrome are not just theoretical. We've already seen numerous near misses and actual collisions, adding more debris to the already crowded space above us. And while most debris burns up upon re-entry into Earth's atmosphere, larger pieces can survive and reach the ground, posing risks to property and life. So, what can we do about it? Addressing the space debris crisis requires a multifaceted approach. One promising avenue is active debris removal, or ADR, technologies designed to capture and safely deorbit large pieces of junk. But these technologies are still in their early stages. International cooperation is vital. Countries and space agencies need to develop and adhere to regulations for responsible satellite disposal and debris mitigation. Sharing information and collaborating on tracking systems will help monitor the debris and devise effective strategies to mitigate the risks. Raising awareness is equally important. Governments, private companies, and the public must understand the shared responsibility we have in ensuring the long-term sustainability of space activities. Promoting sustainable space practices, like designing satellites for end-of-life disposal and minimizing debris generation, is crucial. The stakes are high. If we don't act now, we might face a future where space exploration and satellite services become increasingly difficult, disrupting everything from global communications to scientific research. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, it's not just a vast, empty space. It's a crowded and potentially hazardous environment that needs our attention and care. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of science. Until next time, stay curious.